girls. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'm glad you could make it. And today we're going to look some more at our writing. And we've been talking about nouns this year, and we've talked about verbs this year, and we've learned about adjectives, and we just learned about articles. And now we are going to be learning about another type of word called prepositions. Now these words, it sounds like a big word, but actually prepositions are words that we use all the time. These are words that you already use when you're speaking. These are words that you already use when you're writing. We're just going to learn what they are and how they can help us when we're writing. So let's get started. Prepositions. Okay, there are some special words called prepositions. Some prepositions tell us where something happens, and some prepositions can tell us when something happens. Okay, so let's look at a few prepositions. In. How many of you have ever used the word in, like I'm going in the house? Yeah, we've used that word. In tells us where you're going. What about the word toward? I'm facing toward the camera. That's telling me where I'm facing. What about after? How many of you have used the word after before? Yeah, after. After PE, we come back to class. After tells me when. During is another preposition. It can tell me when you're doing something. The word to is a preposition. Not like the number 2, but like I'm going to my grandmother's. That tells me where you're going. Oh, too far. Above. Above is another word that can tell me where. Where is the light? It is above me. Beyond. Now that's a word we don't use a lot. Beyond just means kind of far away, like it's behind something or it's not quite here yet. It tells me where something is. On. We always use the word on. My markers are sitting on the table. It tells me where the markers are sitting. At can tell me where. Where are you? I am at the park. At can tell me where you are. Before is another word that can tell me when. When are you doing your homework? Before I go outside. And here's another thing about prepositions. Prepositions connect nouns to other parts of the sentence. Now that sounds kind of crazy. Let's look and see what that really means. Okay, so here is a sentence. The brown mole is in the ground. Okay? So we have a noun, which is the mole. Okay? The preposition is the word in. The word in connects the words brown mole and the ground. So it's kind of like you have a brown mole and you have the ground, and you're going to put in the between of it so it connects it. It tells me where the brown mole is. It's in the ground. Okay, let's look at this one. The storm is heading toward our town. What does the word toward connect? It connects the storm in our town. And what does it tell us? Does toward tell me where the storm is? Or does it tell me when the storm is? Hello? We just talked about that. It tells me where the storm is going. It is going toward our town. Okay, let's look at this one. The dark clouds are above our heads. What does above connect? So here's our preposition above. Okay, and it's going to connect the words clouds and our heads. It's connecting clouds and our heads. And it's telling me, is it going to tell me where or is it going to tell me when? That's right, it tells me where they are. Where are the clouds? Above our heads. Okay, we should go in the house. So our preposition is in. And it's going to connect we and the house. It's telling me where. Where are we? In the house. We want to be dry during the storm. What does during connect? It connects we and the storm. And this one doesn't tell where. This one tells us when. When do we want to be dry? During the storm. I sun beyond the clouds. What does the word beyond connect? It connects the words sun and clouds. It tells me where the sun is. Where is the sun? Beyond the clouds. So you can see that was kind of like behind. It tells me where the sun is. Now that's kind of confusing, I know. But guess what? There are so many prepositions, you probably could not memorize them all. So I'm just going to show you some, okay? Alright, so here are some more prepositions. About, above, across, against, around, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, by, down, except, for, from, inside, into, woo, isn't that a bunch? Like, near, of, off, out, outside, over, since, through, till, under, until, up, upon, and without. And guess what, guys? There's a lot more. This is just some of them. So do you think we can memorize all of those prepositions? No. Do you use these prepositions already? Yes, you do. I know you do. I know you use words like into, and for, and of, and in, and on. You use those kind of words. So I'm going to try to make it a little simpler. Are you ready? This will be a little more fun. So let's look at my chart here. No making fun of Miss Hopper's drawing. Okay, can you tell what this is a picture of? It's a table, and then I've got some mice. Okay, they might not look like a mouse, but I promise each one of these is a mouse, and we're going to talk about this. So prepositions, this is where I want you to think about prepositions. It's anywhere a mouse might go. Okay, so we're going to be thinking about where a mouse might go. And maybe my dog will stop making that noise with the ball. All right, anywhere a mouse might go. So let's look at these mice, and I want you to tell me where they are. Are you ready? All right, so let's start with this mouse right here. Where is this mouse? That's right, he's on the table. So, on is a preposition. He's on the table. You also could say he might be above, because he's like above the floor down here, okay? So the mouse can be on a table or above a table. These two are prepositions, okay? Let's think of another one. Let's look at this mouse. Now I drew an arrow because it showed that he's moving. Okay, what can we say he's doing? Where is he walking? He's walking across the table. Across. So across can tell me where he's walking. See, he's walking across. All right, let's look at this little mouse. Where is he? That's right, he's in the drawer. In is a preposition. Do you see how this is working for a mouse? Think about places that mice can go, and it can help us figure out prepositions, okay? Let's move over here. How about this guy right here? Where is this guy? He's under the table. We can also say he is below the table. Under and below, both are prepositions, okay? How about this little mouse? He's peeking. Where is he? He's behind the table. Or behind that leg right there. All right, what about our friend right here? What can we say about him? Where is he? I like to say he's next to the table. Next to, both of those together can be a preposition. He is next to the table. So we have, lines are not getting so good here. So we have above, on, in, across, under, below, behind, and next to. All right, let's move over here to this guy. It's kind of like this one. So instead of saying next to, what else could I say about this mouse? I could say he's beside the table. Is he standing beside the table? So beside is another preposition. All right, let's have a look. We have 3 more mice here. What can I say about this mouse? Anybody have an idea? I could say he's beneath the table. Beneath is kind of another word for below or under. He's beneath the table. All right, what about this mouse? I wouldn't say he's like beside it, and he's not next to it. What can we say? I might say that he is near the table. He's near our table. All right, we got one more. Now this one you can see he doesn't have a face. Do you know why? Because he's doing this. You see his back. Where is he facing? He's facing toward the table. Okay? So think about a mouse when you're thinking about prepositions. Anywhere that a mouse might go can help you find prepositions. And so when you're writing, and you're writing about a noun, writing about something, tell us where the noun is. Tell us where it is. Is it walking across something? Is it above something? On something? Is it in something? Is it under something? This will help you with prepositions. And I've also got a sheet here for you to practice. I'm sending this with this, okay? And you're going to be using some prepositions to tell where things are in this room. You're going to use this picture, and you're going to tell, like, where is the clock? It is on the wall, okay? So you're going to be using some of these prepositions to tell where. Think about a mouse. Do your paper. I'm glad you could join me today. Kind of a quick little video. I love you. I miss you. Goodbye.